How to generate QR code for your Instagram posts. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can generate a QR code for your Instagram posts. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so first open up the Instagram app on your mobile device, then head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then once you're in your profile, scroll down to see your Instagram posts and tap on the post that you'd like to create a QR code for. So next, tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of this post, and then on the next menu you'll see there's an option for QR code. So if you just tap on that one, it's now generated a QR code for this Instagram post. You're able to change the color by tapping on the color options, and people can scan this QR code with their smartphone's camera to see this post. So you can either click on Save QR Code to save the code and share it, or click Done to get out of this screen. And that's what it takes to generate a QR code for your Instagram posts. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.